Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden badang Shusha Jit ke NPP Meghalaya ubak Prestone tensong ula pentip baha ubnai Naiwieng an penbenano ya Kyrtong jong Kyrtong banyak kun ke election MP Lok Sabha na Shillong bat Tura constituency kaban long ha usnem banwan aga juga por ula pentip ba un pentemai lut ya karukam trekam hadin ba ula shimti komu presiden kanang ban penkre ru ya ke election MDC kaban long la shimsnem.
In the meeting briefly, my priority now as the president I'll reconstitute the committee of the state level, and thereafter we will also go down to the district level and up to the block level, because we have to prepare ourselves for the coming election, which is to be held early next year. And not only for the election, but we really wanted to work hard, reaching out ourselves to each and every household in the entire state of Meghalaya. So this is, in fact, this is the priority where I would like to see that it has happened. Reconstituting the state level committee is very, very important. So along with that committee, ultimately, once the committee is in place, then we will be able to sit down and work out next program and next steps, whatever necessary.
Sir, you mentioned about reconstituting committee. So how soon will it be?
Very soon. And you will be informed.
In November itself?
Yes, why not? Very soon. As I said, we don't have much time. Very soon. Maybe within 1 or 2 weeks' time, we'll be able to notify. Be it in Mizoram, be it in Manipur, be it in Nagaland, be it in Arunachal Pradesh. We do have all these state units. So as well as in Meghalaya.
But Mizoram MPP is not contesting election.
Not necessarily because we don't contest election for once. Then you will say that we don't have a units. But we do have, we have our leaders, and even the state unit is well functioning.
Well, sir, we have seen that many of the leaders who were earlier with MPP, or if some of the leaders like Dr. Lapang and all, who are actually not working in this in your body, in your MPP body. So, are you planning to give them any specific posts so that their experience can be used?
No. Dr. Lapang, we already appointed him as chairman of Northeast, Northeast Coordination Committee of the party. Till now.
Iska sales kay kajikpi iti jok ikumbang yung imata banga iska sales kay pipi ka binaba. Hindi ba kanila jing simti jong pipong president kay kata kajikpi iti jok nila.
Di kajing tre jungi nangni serta kesulong berkumu bang ping kwa bandri siya. Syadu kawai keluye lapi ong hasor le ni hana kunda. Lada pi ong district iska sales te haki wei kui paki district. Ka intention jongi ko parti kalau banginum tia penenden kampam mental ajan sebagai election mid Prestone batru next camp bahaka committee ko kemahilan pi on state level aga district level lani what haki block level nginum tia penenden bat Prestone melanda ejikir jong parti jongi parti.
Preparation of the, can you tell us the preparation of the NPP for the upcoming Lok Sabha and MDC elections?
Yes, the work is on the ground. We already planned it out. We work, but of course, little transitional period has taken place because I just taken over today from our honorable outgoing president, Dr. Alki. But I'm telling you, that is not a hurdle. That is not the issue. But now we are one. Whatever team done by Dr. Khaluki and whatever agendas put in place in all the party leaders throughout the state, I will also continue to do that.
Name of the candidate will be announced for when the name of the candidates will be announced for Shillong.
Shortly.
Pila mapan tiket mata na ka
MP
Yes, quite a number. We do have.
Kenapa
We do
dia
have quite a
gila
number.
dan kebang?
Sorry?
Kenapa?
We have seen the
So you
name of
might
Bajaj has also been doing the rounds. So is the party also approaching Bajaj for
Not necessarily that Bajaj, we approach Bajaj. In fact, everybody, they approach us, our door is open. They do approach us. And now we are sitting down and then we walk out and then even the detailed information is being collected throughout the state, be it from Tura constituency or be it from Shillong constituency.
Will it be done in the month of November, sir?
Yes, we will do it by the month of
The announcement of candidate will be by November.
by the month of November. We will do that.
I mean the sitting.
No, see, we are being guided by the constitution of the party. So whether sitting or not sitting or whatever, we have to abide by the constitution.
will the party declare the names of the candidates?
Right now, we are still working out. That's what I'm telling you. While we wanted to immediately reconstitute the full-fledged committee of the state level and even the district level, because we wanted to get all those recommended names or candidates from all the districts.
So
So
what
is it true, sir, like the person sitting next to you is going to be the probable candidate?
I don't know. You ask from me.
First time malah dia review.
Vote percentage. In fact, we have done well. Unfortunately, of course, we could not get more MLAs this time. That is the only concern.
Because narrowly,
Quite a number.
What was the voting percentage when people from the states?
Sorry.
Kebut total vote.
Voting percentage?
Around 31%. 31%.